my God! So ayun, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is DMRPH and welcome to my diary, the Diary of a Motorcycle Rider Philippines. And as usual, nandito na naman po tayo sa aking kwarto for tonight, or for today, or kung anong oras naman na pinapanood itong video na ito. So for today, nakikita nyo naman, around me, again, helmets ang pag-uusapan natin. So before I do that, here is my intro. Boom! So, you're here, you're back. Please don't forget to subscribe and notify yourselves for future videos. And maraming salamat po for viewing this video over here. Ang gagawin po natin is mag-unbox na naman tayo ng panibagong collision ni DMRPH. So, syempre, napanood nyo na or nakita nyo na or nabasa nyo na kung anong title nito. It's the Spyder helmet. So, ayan. Tcharin! Butas, yung box. So, dito tayo sa kabila. Ayan. No? Spyder Neo Series. Nakikita naman natin dito. It's color white with a shiny, shimmering, splendid, no? Yung mga text and everything. And it says here, ano ba yun? Shift 3 GD, pero mali yung box na binigay sa atin. This is the Phoenix Plus Neo series of Spyder helmets. By the way, ang Spyder helmets po ay proudly Philippine brand, and syempre they import and they export. Hindi naman to locally gawa. It's a product of I don't know where, but it's being exported also to other countries. Kaya kailangan po talaga nila maging kalidad, kailangan nila maging quality assured, no, yung mga bibili nito, and hindi lang po basta-basta yung helmet, no. Kaya po natin re-review tonight because it's a really good helmet brought to you by Spyder helmets. So yun, papakita ko na po sa inyo kung ano ito. Phoenix Plus po yung kanyang model. Meron pa pong isa which is yung Shift 3, no. So it's a dual visor. And this one, the Phoenix Plus, is the single visor edition. So buksan na po natin siya. So ayan, pinakita ko na naman sa inyo yung butas pala ng area, no? So bubuksan na po natin siya. Ayan. Aray! Ayan. Buksan na natin siya. So yan po yung nasa loob. Hindi ko makita syempre dahil nakatapat siya sa inyo, no? Ayan. So clear visor, kasama po talaga yan, and we'll talk about it later. And yung free 3M stickers, yeah, free 3M stickers. And this is the helmet. Wala na pong kahit na ano sa loob, kaya tapon na natin siya, no? Joke lang. Hindi pwede tapon, syempre. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda ng kahon, ano? It's white, it's shiny, shimmering, yeah. So, ilalagay na lang po muna natin siya dito. So, ito po yung kanyang lalagyan, yung kanyang helmet bag. And it says here, Spyder Neo Series. No? And it has some graphics all over. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, here it is. No, yung mga graphics po siya. And I think it's a good quality helmet bag. And syempre, shiny shimmering na naman yung kanyang lining, no? At buksan na natin. Ayaw ko nang patagalin because this is a really nice helmet. Chang! Ang ganda, no? So syempre, yung kanyang stickers, and yung kanyang clear visors, all of which are included when you purchase this from Spyder or from Spyder authorized dealers or kung saan man, no? Kung saan yung may gusto. But yeah, it's a Spyder Phoenix Plus helmet with a tinted visor, no? It's some kind of iridium silver, no? Pero hindi pa po natin binubuksan. And it's priced around 3,995 pesos. And this one, I got from Aldro's online shop. Napakabait ng owner. Kanina ko lang po ito nakuha, in fact. And ngayon, nire-review na po natin para sa inyo. Ilalagay na po natin siya dito para cool na cool sa DMRPH. Yeah, baby. So, ayan. Lagay na lang muna natin siya dito. Ayan. O, diba? Oh, sosyalin ha. Umiikot. O, diba? Wala na naman po tayong magawa. Anyways, here we have the Spyder Phoenix Plus Neo Series helmet. And this one has the Joker theme. So let's talk about yung external po muna, yung labas. Simulan po natin sa taas. We have the top air vents over here. If you can see it. Top air vents, no? 1 and 2. And syempre, yung kanyang rear vents sa likod. You have it here. You have 1 and 2, and this one has the special, very nicely built spoiler. Nakakatuwa kasi it's handmade daw, no? Or hand-drawn, no? Dinowing sa kamay. It's specially built just for you. So yeah, we have the top air vents and the rear vents over here. Syempre sa likod yan, ano? Let's talk about the visor, iridium silver some sort. Yung locking mechanism niya dito, para siyang yung AGV Pista GPRR or Pista GPR. Para siyang same nung shape. Also, we have the chin vents over here which you can open and then close. And then, chin curtain and then syempre yung lining niya, no, sa loob. I don't know if you can see there. And syempre, meron siyang quick release. Mabilis lang tanggalin, mabilis pasok. Ilayin mo lang to, tanggal na siya. Nasukat ko to kanina and it feels nice on the face. It's snug fit. And the liners are also good quality. And it's also removable and washable for you guys. And it has this perforated textile effect, no? Para malamig po sa mukha and breathable. So, ayun. Let's talk about the features of this helmet. This one is a black-green color combination of the Joker theme, Phoenix Plus, of course, of Spyder Neo Series helmet. And meron din po siyang blue and orange, which I will show you over here. And it's uniquely designed. They call it hand-drawn graphics, no? So, yun nga po, dinowing ng kamay. It has vibrant decals all over. And of course, you can customize it to your own liking using this. And syempre, it has the spare visor there. Phoenix Plus. For your protection, safety above all else. We'll talk about that. So this impact-resistant polycarbonate visor, it's removable and washable liner. Yeah, that's it. And a quick adjust retention system, dual density EPS liner, ABS composite shell, no? It's made of this one, and it's ECE certified. We'll talk about those later, binabasa lang po natin dito. So for your vision, for this one, it's a market-leading visor technology. It's scratch-resistant polycarbonate, yeah, this one and this one. Easy visor replacement, syempre, mabilis lang po tanggalin yan. I think this is the same mechanism as with my KYT over here. So let's talk about the helmet features. It's ECE rated for all of you guys. It passed the DOT standards for safety and protection. Syempre, napaka-importante po yan sa isang helmet. According to Spyder helmets, yung kanilang visor technology is one of the best out there in the market. They have machines that are technologically advanced. Yeah, boy. And syempre, yung kanyang shell is premium grade ABS composite shell. Yes. Napakaganda ng dating, napakaangas ng dating, napaka-cool ng effect niya, no? So yung kanya pong outer shell has dual density EPS liner, rapid release retention system, which is ECE and DOT rated din po. It was vigorously tested para po sa safety natin mga riders. Actually, ito pong bagong labas ni Spyder helmets na Neo series are targeting the newer riders. Yung mga baguhan po sa pagmamaneho na gusto ng kalidad and awesomely done helmet. It's visually nice, visually attractive, no? Napakaganda po talaga niya. The graphics are out of this world, no? It's like para po siyang nakaangat. Para siyang ibinalot dun sa helmet. Well done by Spyder helmets, no? According to Spyder helmets, they have a new look on safety. It means It's freshly designed. It's limited quantity per drop. So for example, this one, it comes in limited quantity. So konti lang po yan. And then later on, iba na naman po yung papasok na design. So make sure you get your hands on this. Otherwise, it'll be gone. It's like limited edition, parang ganyan sa aming Spyder helmets. And then, marami pa pong Spyder helmets out there. Recon 2.0, yung kay Breezy, and yung kay Sparta. And then, syempre, yung Spike Astro na nandito, makikita nyo. Meron din pong isa pang ganito, yung sinasabi ko nga po kanina, yung Shift 3 or yung Dual Visor edition po nitong Joker na to, no? And then, this one, of course, is the single visor. Wala po siyang drop-down visor sa loob. So, ito po yung Phoenix Plus. And syempre, yung kaka-review ko lang po na Reboot 2.0. So, make sure you check that out also if you want the half-face helmet. Again, this is priced at $3,995. Yung weight, it's on the lighter side. So there you have it, folks, the Spyder Neo Series Phoenix Plus helmet. Thank you for watching my diary, the diary of a motorcycle rider, Philippines. Always, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan, ride safe. Kahit nasuot mo pa yung pinakamahal na helmet na nakikita mo kahit saan sa buong mundo, wala ka namang disiplina sa daan, wala pa rin kwenta yung pagmamaneho natin. So yun lamang po. Bye!